Hey, I'd like to share with you some of the special features of this Char-Broil Advantage griller. And this particular one is a 3-burner. They do make it as a 4-burner, and they have a variety of other options. I like how it has the temperature gauge right there on top. Got this nice chrome handle. Opens up, as you can see. I like to show you stuff that I actually use, and this has been used. Has a nice rack up top, the bun rack, top rack. These are nice heavy duty cast iron style of racks. This one here has the ignition start right here. This thing always fires right up. I like it has the 2 shelves on either side. I don't know how people do without those. Always have to set your food down before you're putting it on so that you can, place the food very nicely, have a place for your spices and all that stuff. This one has wheels on it, makes it nice and easy to move around. Folks, I am not showing you something that is brand new out of the box. I'm showing you something used. I know it could use a cleaning, but look here. This is the drip tray that you use, and this is where your propane tank goes. You're looking for a nice grill that is going to last you through the years. This Char-Broil one has done that for me.